paradise cup that just cleans. Get me Char dog. Having trouble even get to the camera. And he orders everything. Any of the dogs. You get pickle spear, sport peppers, tomatoes, neon green relish, and mustard. Do not ask for ketchup in Chicago. And it's on a poppy seed bun, falling apart already. Fresh bun. Oh man, that's good. And definitely not acidic blend. Trying to get everything down. But the food you can get, like Chicago, basically this is a Chicago dog. Paradise Cup has been on diners, drive-ins, dogs, I think other shows. Honestly, their burgers are even better than their famous dogs. Everybody Char grills things here. Burgers, dogs, chicken. Yeah. Can't get nothing like this in the desert. That's good stuff. There's other dog places in the area that are pretty good. This is right up there with them. They're gonna be back eating real food again instead of just cooking at home. And I'm excited. Yeah, I'm also excited. And I can afford to eat out here. That's a big difference too. Anyway, that's it. An amazing. I think I fell off. I've never eaten just the pickle by itself, and it's amazing. Everything's a thumbs up. So, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye!